Hello guys, we're printing our shirts for Printing United. The dress shirts that we'll be wearing during the show with the graphic. We're using our Poly Ice, low cure, low bleed. This is our flagship low cure, low bleed for 100% polyester. The manufacturer's list on this is about $184 a gallon. We sell it in the 150s on there. We're going to be printing, this is going to be probably the most expensive garment I've printed on. A ladies Under Armour 100% polyester $70 garment. We are printing the white, our underbase, to a 230 mesh. The screens are all coated 2-in-1. We're running a 1/16 of an inch off contact. The white, we're using a 70-90-70 triple diameter squeegee. We are going to do a hard flood at medium speed and look at attempting to inject the ink through the mesh into the stencil. And we're going to then be doing a triple stroke at medium speed, firm pressure. We're using 70-90-70 to keep the blade from flexing. I want to make certain I stay on the edge of the blade. And here. And that the blade does not roll over. And just one more stroke once again at about medium speed, 1/1000 to 1000, not in any hurry. And we will take a look and see our underbase. Looks very nice, very sharp, very uniform. We can zoom in on the letters and see the opacity is already still there, as well as the detail. And the halftones, we're going to flash this. It is a fast flashing, it is a low cure. It's made for 100% polyester. You could use it on a wide variety of substrates, 50-50, dry blends, etc. We're going to let this cool down just a second. Now our underbase is 65 LPI through 230 mesh. All of our top colors are 80 LPI through 305 mesh. Once again, coated 2-in-1. We'll be using a 60-90-60 triple diameter. Here we're going to use a medium pressure on our flood, medium speed. To once again inject the ink through. We'll lift up. We're going to do one stroke, light to medium pressure, medium speed, about 2 seconds. 1/1000 to 1000. Our red. Once again, nice firm pressure, medium speed on the flood, print stroke, light to medium pressure at about 2 seconds, 1/1000 to 1000. Into the gold. Light to medium pressure. Oh, it's a little drag there. This is 8 colors. These are all 305s. Coming around now to the green. Once again, this is a 60-90-60. It's a triple diameter. It's a little softer than the 70-90-70 that we were using on the underbase. We're going to go again, light to medium pressure at about a 2-second medium speed. green. Now we're coming to our gray. Our gray is 80 LPI as well, through a 305 mesh. We are using a 70-90-70 on here because we're going to have the text screen printing as art, and all that will be in vector. We want that to be nice and smooth and opaque. And here we're going to be doing the medium firm pressure, medium speed to inject ink through the layers. We're going to come down, get behind the ink, and plus we've got our gray, and we come to our highlight white. Our highlight white is dreamy white, high opaque, low bleed white. This is through with 80 LPI through a 305 mesh with a 70-90-70. Yes, the blade is a different color versus green, white, green. This is yellow, white, yellow. Same 70-90-70, just different manufacturers. Going to get behind there, and we're going to do a double stroke on this. And here, now this time we're going to do the medium firm pressure and a medium speed, about 2 seconds. We're going to come back and we're going to do double stroke on this as well. Take a look at our finished print. So we have 80 LPI, 8 color simulated process on a 65 LPI, underbase through 230 mesh. The underbase was printed 3 strokes. The colors, most of the colors were printed 1. The gray was printed 2, as well as the highlight white. Stop by Printing United. Kolormatrix booth will be printing this live and giving away samples on next level shirts. Next level, thanks for your support. And if you like the video, as always, please give us a like or share, and thanks for watching.